At SWM, sustainability isn't just a goal. It's how we innovate, operate, and grow. Our approach is clear: efficiency and innovation working together. When our customers seek sustainable materials, we deliver solutions. Using lightweight paper, producing biodegradable filtering media for filters, creating transparent packaging that reduces environmental impact. We don't just respond to sustainability challenges. As scientists and engineers, we solve them. Our deep industry experience allows us to anticipate regulatory changes before they arrive, giving both us and our partners a competitive advantage. This proactive mindset is captured in our commitment: trusted legacy, innovative future. Using decades of proven reliability as the foundation for tomorrow's breakthroughs. Our impact is measurable. 2,000 employees of 40 nationalities in 7 countries worldwide. 100% of R&D projects are eco-scored. These aren't aspirations, they're results. As the largest employer in many regions where we operate, often with multiple generations of families working alongside each other, we understand our responsibility extends beyond the factory floor. We listen to local communities, operate with long-term commitment, and recognize that sustainable business means sustainable relationships. Our vision is ambitious yet achievable: to become the global leader in innovative, sustainable, and lightweight solutions across multiple industries. At SWM, we're not just adapting to a sustainable future, we're engineering it.